Grilling season, a time eagerly anticipated by outdoor cooking enthusiasts, brings with it the delightful aromas and flavors of barbecued fare. Are you one of those loving gatherings with grill or barbecue close by? Do you like grilling, or do you rather prefer watching others doing it? In each gathering there are some food options available. What kind of food freshly grilled is your favorite? Meat, mushrooms, some chosen vegetables, or maybe cheese? We know that most of us love grilled food, but are we all aware, or do we all remember what important precautions should we think of? Let's review together what is important in these family and friends events with grilling involved too. However, alongside the joy of grilling comes the crucial responsibility of ensuring safety, both in terms of preventing accidents and handling food properly. A misstep can lead to serious injuries or foodborne illnesses, turning a pleasant gathering into a regrettable incident. Therefore, understanding and practicing safe grilling techniques is paramount for a worry-free and enjoyable experience. Location and grill maintenance. The foundation of safety. The first line of defense in safe grilling lies in the careful selection of the grilling location and the diligent maintenance of the equipment. Grills, whether charcoal or gas-powered, are designed for outdoor use only. Operating them indoors, in garages, under covered patios, or enclosed spaces can lead to a dangerous buildup of carbon monoxide, an odorless and lethal gas. The grill should be positioned on a stable, level, and non-combustible surface, far away, at least 10 feet, from the house, deck railings, sheds, and any overhanging trees or branches. This clearance minimizes the risk of accidental fires spreading to nearby structures or vegetation. Regular cleaning of the grill is another essential safety practice. Grease and food debris accumulate on the grates and in the grease trap, creating a significant fire hazard. These deposits can ignite easily, leading to flare-ups that can burn food and pose a risk of injury. Before each grilling session, the grates should be scrubbed clean with a sturdy brush, and the grease trap should be emptied regularly. Let's remember to make sure that after scrubbing the grates, the small debris from brushes or scrapping metals are not attached to the grates and tools, as they can get attached to grilled food, then representing serious danger to consumer wellness. For gas grills, a thorough inspection of the gas lines and connections is crucial, especially at the start of the grilling season or after a period of storage. A simple test using soapy water can detect leaks. Bubbles forming when the gas is turned on indicate a problem that needs immediate attention. Faulty gas lines should be repaired or replaced by a qualified professional before the grill is used. Always open the lid of a gas grill before attempting to light it to prevent a potential explosion from accumulated gas. Charcoal grills require careful handling of the fuel. Only use charcoal starter fluid specifically designed for this purpose. Never use gasoline or other flammable liquids, as they can cause dangerous flare-ups and contaminate the food. The starter fluid should only be applied to unlit coals, and the coals should be allowed to burn until they are covered with a gray ash indicating they have reached the proper temperature. Dispose of ashes responsibly in a metal container with a lid, after they have completely cooled for at least 48 hours. Safe grilling practices preventing accidents. Once the grill is set up and ready, several practices can minimize the risk of accidents during cooking. Never leave a lit grill unattended. Children and pets should be kept at a safe distance of at least 3 feet from the hot grill. Consider establishing a designated, kid-free zone to prevent accidental burns. Avoid wearing loose clothing or dangling apron strings that could catch fire. Using long-handled grilling tools and heat-resistant gloves or mitts will protect hands and arms from burns. Be prepared for flare-ups, which are common when fat drips from meat onto the hot coals or burners. Keeping a spray bottle filled with water nearby can help to control minor flare-ups. However, for grease fires, water should never be used, as it can cause the flames to spread. Having a fire extinguisher rated for grease fires readily accessible is a wise precaution. Baking soda can also be effective in smothering small grease fires. Food safety: ensuring a healthy meal. Beyond preventing burns and fires, safe grilling also involves ensuring the food cooked is safe to eat. Proper food handling and cooking temperatures are critical to prevent foodborne illnesses. Start with clean hands and utensils. Avoid cross-contamination by using separate cutting boards and platters for raw and cooked meats. Marinate meat in the refrigerator, not at room temperature, and never reuse marinade that has been in contact with raw meat unless it has been thoroughly boiled. Cook all food to the safe minimum internal temperatures recommended by food safety guidelines. Use a food thermometer to check the temperature in the thickest part of the meat, away from any bones. For poultry, the internal temperature should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. For ground meat, 160 degrees Fahrenheit, 71 degrees Celsius, and for steaks, roasts, and fish, at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius, with a 3-minute rest time. Color alone is not a reliable indicator of doneness. Once the food is cooked, use clean platters and utensils for serving. Hot food should be kept hot, above 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and cold food should be kept cold, below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, to prevent bacterial growth. Do not leave perishable food out at room temperature for more than 2 hours, or 1 hour if the outdoor temperature is above 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Store leftovers promptly in the refrigerator. Grilling season is a time for enjoyment and delicious food. By adhering to these comprehensive safety guidelines, you can ensure that your barbecues are memorable for all the right reasons: good food, good company, and a safe environment. Prioritizing safety allows everyone to relax and savor the pleasures of outdoor cooking without unnecessary risks. We hope that this short reminder can help you to stay safe while you enjoy great summer company with tasty grilled food. Most of mentioned here points seem so obvious, but still we know that not always they are taken in serious consideration, aren't they? Were you aware of all of them? Which one you never paid attention to before watching our reminder? Thank you for watching. See you soon. Remember to give us a thumb up, share this video with other grilling lovers, and remember to subscribe to our channel so you can get notified when we publish new videos. Thank you.